everyone, in this video I'm going to be teaching you on how to get started with Windows. So for first off, there is the Windows key, or you can just click this right here. This will open the normal start page, and then there's Windows plus S. This will open the search. You can search for anything you want. And then there's you can get your files by clicking Windows plus E. It'll open where your files are kept. I'm gonna close it. And then there's the Microsoft Store. So Microsoft Store, you can go to search Microsoft Store. So in the Microsoft Store, you can install stuff to your desktop or phone or tablet. So then there's quick change settings, which is Windows A. So over here, it'll show your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, aeroplane mode, battery saver, accessibility, rotation lock if you have a tablet, cast, mobile hotspot, nearby sharing, nightlight, and project. So after that, there's the settings, which is down here. Click settings, you can see all these things. There's Windows Update. I've made a video on that before. Then there's these things that you can edit, and then there's Task Manager. The shortcut key for it is Control Shift Escape. So this will open the Task Manager, and that's how you get started with Windows.